Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily do a factory reset of your phone and wipe all the data from it. There are actually two ways of doing so. The first one is through the phone and system settings. It's the easier way for me and more safe actually. But if the screen is unable to, system is unable to work, we have to do it through the recovery. But here we do have the first step. At first we have to enter settings, and here now we have to scroll down till we see the system here. Here we have the tab reset options, and the last option is erase all data factory reset. We have to tap that and tap erase all data. As you can see, it will delete all data from our phone, which is your Google account, system app, data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. And of course it will log out us from every single account here. This is the first step, and I think it's easier. Of course you'll have to enter the PIN for your phone, or just a passcode or any other patterns. But if it goes to the recovery mode and do a factory reset recovery mode, at first we have to turn off our phone. We have to hold the power button and tap power off here. Now our phone is turned off. So here now we have to enter the bootloader. We have to hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for around a moment actually. You will see it should take a couple of seconds. Here, as you can see, we are in the bootloader mode, a fast flash mode, and here with the volume down and up button we have to navigate to the recovery mode. Here, as you can see, we have recovery mode, and we have to click this power button. Now our phone will reboot to the recovery mode. Here, as you can see, we have a no command. We have to click the power button and volume up button to leave this. Here, as you can see, now we are in the Android recovery, and here we do have reboot system now, and with the volume down we can navigate lower, and with the volume up upper. Here we have reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, API update from ADB, API update from SD card, and wipe data from /factory reset. If your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Here now we have to click here this power button here. Now we have to scroll down to the factory data reset and click factory data reset with the power button. Now our factory reset has begun. I'll show you this whole quick process without any cuts, so just you can watch it, so that you can just watch it. Now, as you can see, we have data wipe complete, and now we can click with the power button reboot system now to reboot to the setup screen. As you can see, now we are all done. If you have any questions, ask them in comments below. And if you have any drawbacks on my video, something was not good explained, you can tell me in the comments below too. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!